So what would be your message towards the people so that they don't
control Nagrik Suraksha Manch, control Amra Bangali, and you will not have the other side misguiding other people. It takes two hands to clap. It takes two hands to clap. And we know who are the people who are provocating. Has the murderer of Biswajit Dev Burma been arrested? Has the murderer of Mantri Lal Kaiping been arrested? Has Pindulal Chakma's murderer been arrested? So, जो माधवबारी में हुआ उसका कोई जस्टिस हुआ है अभी तक? तो my message is, there is wrongs on both sides. But if you can control these elements which are provocating one society, the other society will react. I have always spoken for peace, whether it is Tiprasas or Bengalis, Chorais or Riangs, Muslims and Hindus and Christians. We are secular. We believe in no discrimination of any religion. We believe in inclusivity. But the government has to now stop these organizations which are fringe elements, which are creating ethnic divide between communities. Tipra Mota has not spoken against any community. We have only spoken for the constitutional rights of the Tiprasa people. We have not spoken against any community. जब से हम पावर में आए हैं, not one act of violence has happened against any non-Tiprasa community in ADC. So ये जो वहम फैलाया जाता है, ये एक एलिमेंट है त्रिपुरा में जिनका राजनीति रहता है. जब कोई तिपरासा डिमांड करे तो उनको कम्युनल बनाओ, जब कोई और करे तो उसको राष्ट्रवादी बनाओ. इसको कर्टेल करने के लिए स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को कदम उठाना चाहिए.